Another idea will be to use the customer lifetime value to find your inactive but valuable customers. So if a high-ticket customer hasn't visited your store for a long time, maybe it'd be nice to reach out to them. There are few things that a business owner can do to improve its customer lifetime value, but the basic principles are that a customer needs to spend more per item, purchase more often, and remain customers for longer period of time. So if it has been a while since a high-ticket customer has made an order from you, it might be a good idea to consider some re-engagement strategy. The lifetime value date can be extracted from your WooCommerce user profiles in combination with the last seen filter. Organizing the WooCommerce customer profile fields. If the number of custom fields that you have for your customer profile gets larger, it might be a good idea to group them into different sections in order to improve readability and organization. This can be done from the Profile Settings option in the User Profiles. To enable Profile Settings Edit mode, just click on the Profile Settings button in the top right corner. Profile Field Groups. Once the Settings Edit is activated, you get a whole new set of options. For instance, you can add groups for your custom fields. This helps you significantly when it comes to the custom fields organization. In particular, if you have a lot of fields coming from different plugins or belonging to different types, you can add new sections using the Add Section Title option beneath your custom fields. After WooCommerce Custom Fields section is added, you can move it around using the arrows button, which acts as a drag and drop handle. This is a quick way to move it until it is where you want it to be. Then, another great addition is moving around your custom user fields as well. The same way you can move your groups, you can move fields to find an order that works best for you. Although it is helpful to have a lot of custom fields, sometimes we just want the main information. With profile settings, you can hide some of the custom fields, thus you can achieve your desired organization. From the Profile Settings screen, you can also reorder or hide sections from the Activity section in the same way as the custom fields. All settings regarding profile customizations, show/hide fields and order, are user bases, which means that every administrator can apply their own custom view depending on the data that they most commonly work with. Conclusion? That's it. You have successfully created your own custom profile page for your WooCommerce customers. As you can see with our custom WooCommerce profiles, not only that you have the ability to capture and manage far more data about your customers, but all this information can be also easily searchable and accessible via the user's insights filters. We hope this article helped you improve your customer management and organization.